Guys, this is Unboxing Tech Pro, and today we are going to unbox the Lenovo LivePods GM2 Pro ThinkPlus quality. This is one of the best quality of Lenovo and one of the cheapest price you can get on Alibaba.com. So let's unbox it. This is comfortable and free, long time stability and touch control. And its playtime is 5 hours, 40 mAh battery life and 5.3 version of Bluetooth. So 1 hour to charge full headphone. So in the box we got the quick start guide, the thinkplus Lenovo. We got the 8 tips large, medium. We got the charger, type C, and this is the box. It feels premium, look good, classic. A Lenovo logo backside, charging port, and thinkplus sign. Look at the LED light, look awesome on the headphone and on the cover. It feels pretty though, premium. Look, the light is shining. Left, right, shows the case, gives shining light. It does look premium and feel awesome in the hand. And with this price, I will just mention the price at the end of the video, so please watch the full video. This is how it looks when it's charging. The lighting is red.